I just want to start this video out by saying that I brushed my teeth before this and I got toothpaste in my eye. Don't ask me how. Even I have no word. But I do know that if it was to happen to somebody in this house, it would happen to me. And oh my god, when I tell you that it burned, oh my god, it stung. It hurt. I'm like, what is happening? Moving on. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very similar to my last video that I uploaded. It's going to be an everyday spring makeup look, drugstore edition. My last video was just a regular everyday spring makeup look, and I wasn't really too conscious on the products that I was using, meaning price wise, but all these products that I use today you can find at the drugstore or the drugstore section at Ulta, and they work just as good as the more expensive ones. This video should be the same length because we're basically doing the same thing but with drugstore makeup. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And with that being said, let's just get into the video. I'm just gonna tone my face real quick. So I'm gonna use the Thayer's Unscented Witch Hazel. So I'm just gonna take a cotton round and put a little bit of this on there.
For the pain, I want to lose myself again. Please get out of my mind.
For moisturizer, I'm going to take the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion.
Me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end.
I'm going to take the One Heck of a Blot primer from Soap & Glory. And then I'm also going to take the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. I'm going to put the One Heck of a Blot in my T-zone, and I'm going to put the Ordinary one on the rest of my face. And then we're going to spray the face with the Mario Badescu Green Tea and Cucumber Spray. For foundation, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and this is in the color 410. And then this also has SPF 25 in it. For concealer, I'm going to take two concealers because one of them is darker than the other. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is in 355 Vanilla. And then I'm also going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C2. Okay, I'm going to put that out there, and then I'm going to put it on my forehead, down my nose, and then on my chin, and then around my nose. And this is just to give some brightness back into our face and give our face more dimension. And then this is just going to go on the inner part. Is this really much lighter? I don't think so. I thought it was a lot. Okay, it's a little lighter. And then we are going to take this up onto our lid, and it's going to act as a eyeshadow base, even though we're not going to be putting a whole ton of eyeshadow on. It's just going to give us that nice clean slate to work with.
Asleep, every night I fall deep in love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, every night I fall deep in love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought.
Oh, we are looking, you know what I mean? You know what that means? We are looking like we got a mask on. That's what that means. Alright, moving on. So I have two choices for setting powder. I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, and this is in the color Light. But I also have the Airspun Loose Face powder, and this is in the color Translucent. I think I used this one in my last video, so today I'm going to use the Airspun one. And then I'm just going to place the Airspun powder everywhere that we put our concealer.
Put
on the eyes to set. You could... Rude. I'm going to take a little bit of that translucent powder that we just used. I'm going to take that on a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe E41 brush. And I'm just going to dip into that and lightly put it on the rest of our face. And then I am going to spray my face real quick just because it feels a little cakey because of how much powder we have on. And while we let that dry, we're going to move on to our eyebrows, and I'm going to take the NYX Brow Mascara in the color Brunette. I'm just going to take a spoolie. This one's from Morphe B23. Now for bronzer, I'm going to take the NYX Matte Bronzer, and this is in the color Light. For blush, I am going to take the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division palette, and I'm going to take this middle shade right here. And I'm going to use that shade as blush. So I'm going to take the Morphe Y4 brush and put that on my cheeks and over my nose and into my crease as well.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart.
So I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the color Precious Petals.
You are my world in every.
I'm going to take that on a Real Techniques setting brush.
It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face.
I'm going to take a Morphe M212 brush, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner just so we can get a little more precision. And then for mascara, I'm going to take the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama.
And without you, I am just a trace.
I lied. I'm going to take the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is my favorite because I don't know what the heck I was thinking. I knew this was going to end badly.
Always.
I'm going to use the Alexis Run Times ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the color Bare Necessities. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the color Blousy.
You are my world.
Alright everyone, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified anytime I upload a new video. I will, if you made it this far, I will link, I will have some links to a couple of my other videos if you want to check those out. I don't think I have anything else to say except thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Unless something drastic happens. I'll see you before. Kai is signing off.